Hey guys, and today I'm going to be solving Rubik's Cubes from movies. So these movies that I'm going to select, they are Bollywood and Tollywood movies. Now if you don't know what Bollywood and Tollywood movies are, the Bollywood movies is basically Indian movies, and I think everyone would know what Bollywood movies are. And the Tollywood movies is basically South Indian movies. So yeah, simple. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So first movie is Dangerous Khiladi. Now Dangerous Khiladi basically means dangerous, and Khiladi means player. So there you go. So this is a scramble for it. So here's my cube. Now scramble it together. If you want to watch the movie, I have a link in the description if you want to watch it. Although I'm not sure if there's English subtitles or anything. You can make sure in that video. I'm not sure, but if you want to watch it, if you know Hindi, then you can also definitely watch it. So let me play the clip where it is shown.
Oh, Rubik's Cube. आप खेलते हैं?
Okay, so let me do this scramble. Before that, so it was kind of difficult to figure out the scramble because I could only see like two colors, which was these two. Like this part was just black because it was like a night time, so it is really just black, and could only see these two colors. So it was much more difficult to find the scramble. But we did it, so let's try it. Oh yeah, I forgot my timer. Just hold on a second. Okay guys, so I got my timer and now I'll just start inspection. Oh, you know what? It's not the worst scramble. Okay, cross planned out. First break, I don't want to plan out. Oh my god. Oh, I just messed up. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh, wait for him. That was not good. So I'm gonna try it one more time, so let's try it. Alright, so let me try to do the cross much more better now this time. Last time I just messed up the cross, so. Okay, so this is much more better time, so yeah. There we go. That's the time for this movie. Alright, so next movie, which is Indian Soldier Never Off Holiday. Now there are actually two versions of this. There's one version which is Bollywood and one version which is Tollywood. This is a Tollywood version, except like the Rubik's Cube that were featured. In the Tollywood version, it was a 3x3, and the Bollywood version is a 4x4. I couldn't really find the Bollywood version, otherwise I'd do it, but I found the Tollywood version, so here it is. Let me play the clip. Okay, hope you guys watched that clip, and yeah, it was nothing to explain. So, this was a little bit difficult to find out the scramble because, oh my god, my timer just started. So, because, like, the frames, it was kind of blurry, he just picks this cube up. It was a bit more harder to find the scramble, but I did get somehow, so, well, let's do a scramble. So, this is a scramble. I just messed up. Okay, I'm not sure if this is the right one, but hope I am. Oh, this is, you know what? Such a real good scramble. Hopefully I don't mess up. Yeah, I did mess up. Oh no, I messed up. How do I do that? Abram again? No! Oh no, guys. Why am I getting 18s continuously? I mean, I did get a 16, but like I plus 2 it. So, I mean, I'm not happy with that time. So I'm going to try once more for this again. So let's just try it once more. Okay, so yeah, I told you this cross was easy. So basically I can put this piece in. So that moves this piece over here. So I can just put that in. Then this one, I can put this over here. So then I can just do a D2 at the end to put the cross in. So that's the cross. So, okay, so, oh, what am I doing? Oh no. I did a different solution, but I got a PLL skip on that. So I guess I'll take that. PLL skip? Yeah. So now the next movie is Raw Kaladi. Now Kaladi, you already know that from the period, from the I cannot speak, from the previous movie. So you guys already would know what that means. It means layer, and raw is raw. So in that movie, there was actually a 4x4. So we're gonna do this 4x4. I cannot speak, guys. The 4x4
इससे क्या हासिल होगा?
Okay, so for that clip, it was much more easier to find out the scramble for this. Although I did have some difficulty because there was three angles and like moving the pieces around to find the right way without having it unsolvable was a bit more difficult. Although I got it done at the end. So this is a scramble. And now this is a really long scramble because it is. So bear with it, do it, and try to do it correctly. Nope, I messed up. Okay, so this is the scramble, and the part like where it is, which was the angle? I think it was like this. No, this. Yeah, I think it was like this or something like this. Uh, yeah, something like the angle over here. Yeah, this is it. I'm pretty sure this is it or somewhere. I don't remember while making this scramble. So let's do the scramble and see how what the time I got. And ignore the rain noise outside because it's raining. So yeah, just ignore it. I'll try to remove it while editing, but if you do hear it, just ignore it. So I'm gonna do white center, and then okay. How did I get 4 seconds? Alright guys, so this is actually below my average. No, actually, no. I don't even know my habit, so this is amazing. This is amazing time. So yeah, I'll call it a day, and hope you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you want to let me know your times in the comment section below, you can definitely do so. Check out these two videos if you like my content, and click over here to subscribe. I'll see you guys all next time.